Hello friends, in today's video, I will show you how to generate videos related to viral content. In today's video, I'll share a slightly different method with you on how to write your stories and generate images, and so on. So let's start. Firstly, you need to come to ChatGPT and copy the description of this video from the description section. After copying, paste it here. You need to edit this text according to your story. In my story, in the first scene, I have an airport. In the second scene, I'm on the side of an airplane. And in the third scene, the plane is going. You need to customize the script according to your story. I'll share the script with you here. After that, press enter. Now it will generate related images from each scene. Look here, our complete story is written, and we have the first scene. You need to copy it from here. After copying, come to the Bing image generator. After coming here, paste the print of the first scene. Click on the Generate button. Now look, we have results for different types. Now from these, whichever image you like related to your story, you need to download it from here. So I'll download this image, and this is our first image. After this, you need to save it. After saving, come back to ChatGPT, and now you have to copy the second scene. The second scene's print you need to copy from here. After copying, come back here and paste it again. Click on the Create button. Music. Now look, our images related to the second scene are generated, but they are not according to our requirement. So what you need to do is click on the Create button again. So friends, after trying the second time, if your images are still not related, what you need to do is change this print. To change this print, you need to delete any extra parts. Now our story is related to cats, so you need to copy the part related to cats and mention it here. After coming here, you need to modify the print. After modifying, I'll click on the Create button again. So friends, you can see that now our images are perfectly generated. So what you need to do is whenever you have a scene that is not generating images, you need to modify it and then generate images here. So even our second scene's images are successfully generated. I'll download them from here as well. After that, what do you need to do? You need to go to your mobile and open CapCut. After opening CapCut, now you need to import all the images here. After importing images into CapCut, now one by one you need to drag them on the timeline here. Now I numbered them. I have 1, 2, 4, and 5 here. So whenever you save images, you need to save them in order so that it becomes easier for you next time when you create a video. After importing images into the timeline, you need to try to set the duration of each image. I set the timing of each image to 3 seconds. After setting the timing of images, now what you need to do is go to Transitions, and from here, apply the transition you like. After that, you need to select the first image here. After selecting, go to the Animation section here, and here you will get options for Zoom and Come. Now you need to go to the Come section, and from here, apply the animation you like on each image. So friends, finally I apply animations and transitions to all the images. After this, you need to add background music here. So I downloaded the background music video here and adjusted it here. So friends, finally our video is ready here, and I'll show you the preview music. After this, friends, you need to export this video and then you can upload it. So friends, this was today's video. See you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.